Derrick specialists believe that wood is the building material of the future, and the statistics back it up. In the United States, over 90% of houses are made of wood, while in Japan, it's over 40%. Derrick also notes the abundance of specialized forestry farms, ensuring no environmental issues. Now is the time for them to tackle large-scale projects like the expansion of Oslo Airport. For this, Derrick's engineers used plywood and oak slats, adding about 12,000 square meters to the terminal. Other notable Derrick's projects include a wooden airship hangar in Mulheim, Germany. It spans over 40 meters with 1,500 parts crafted with millimeter precision, standing over 25 meters tall. It's truly impressive. Alucobond leads the global market for aluminum composite panels. They're attractive, long-lasting, and can be tailored to customer preferences, such as adding flame-retardant filler if needed. But why choose Alucobond? Aren't there cheaper options out there? Well, they have a secret weapon called EasyFix. This fastening system combines the reliability of welded installation with the ease of handling found in cassette panels installation. EasyFix works for horizontal and vertical setups and with 60mm wide profiles. Plus, thanks to its flush mounting, it preserves the design aesthetic. In Leerdam, Netherlands, a residential building has made history by being the first in Europe to receive a prefabricated elevator from Kohn. Previously, residents dealt with a narrow elevator unsuitable for wheelchairs or stretchers. Now, they have the Kohn Monospace 500 elevator. This new model accommodates up to 15 people, it has a capacity of up to 1,150 kilograms, and moves between floors at 1.75 meters per second. With a height limit of 70 meters, it's ideal for low to mid-rise housing. Customers can choose from 52 designs and order up to 4 elevators. Analysts at the Ember Center counted that by 2022, over 60 countries generated approximately 10% of their electricity from wind and solar power, which highlights the importance of exploring the innovations from the Heliotech team. They've introduced an organic photovoltaic film, similar to a solar panel but thinner, measuring less than 1 millimeter. Additionally, it's flexible, lighter, and boasts a 25% increase in efficiency. In a project in South Korea, 712 sheets installed on a building produced a maximum power output of 37.7 kilowatts. Another notable feature of Heliotech's development is its range of colors: blue, gray, or green. With its 50% transparency, it's suitable for windows, offering a shading effect. Plus, in some cases, you don't even need fasteners. The film can simply be glued on. Gate Precast is expanding its facade construction all over the world. They offer gate-light panels that act as an extra exterior layer. Though resembling playhouse pieces, they offer tangible benefits. Firstly, gate-light is quick installing. Panels arrive at the site pre-assembled, including windows, making assembly similar to playing with Lego. Secondly, the panels offer air, thermal, and vapor insulation, meeting the demands of high-use facilities like schools and hospitals. Lastly, Gatelight complies with the NFPA 285 fire resistance standard. Aztec offers a pool that buyers can easily set up themselves. Once the surface is leveled and the concrete slab is in place, a 3-person team can complete the process in 5 to 8 hours. Buyers can select from standard pool shapes or request a custom design. No matter what you choose, all components fit through a regular door. The manufacturers have patented their product for a good reason. The pool includes stainless steel fittings and materials resistant to mildew, UV rays, abrasion, and corrosion. Plus, the high-capacity 10-micron water filter lasts about a month. Aztec is manufactured in Europe and comes with a 10-year warranty. Since we're talking about construction products, let's take a look at this formwork system from Max Frank. This company has worked on projects like a railroad station in Bern, Switzerland, and a recycling plant in Kalmar, Sweden, showing their expertise in the industry and the use of advanced technologies. Take the Prefabricated formwork, for instance. It comes in 2 versions. The classic one is great for strip foundation, while the other has larger panels made of a groundwater-neutral material, ideal for reinforcing construction pit walls. Both versions of Prefabricated are suitable for manual work and don't need heavy machinery. This product is eco-friendly and works well for both stay-in-place and reusable formwork. SmartMix is marketed as an innovation in the construction world by its manufacturers. This is quite a statement, especially considering it first hit the US market back in the early 1980s. So what's the deal with it? Well, SmartMix does a fantastic job replacing mortar. Just 1 kilogram of SmartMix does the job of 20 kilograms of mortar. Plus, it can be applied thinly enough to save on plastering. Working with SmartMix is also cleaner and up to 3 times faster compared to mortar. Whether you're using bricks or blocks, as long as they're relatively clean and free of sand or oil residue, SmartMix works. It dries in around 72 hours, and once open, the container can be sealed and stored for up to 30 days without losing quality. According to Lycos, we spend over 90% of our time indoors. This company specializes in transforming these spaces into more enjoyable and lively environments with its modular gardens. With PlantBox, you can easily turn a dull office into a vibrant and colorful place with self-watering modules. Each square meter weighs about 70 kilograms and is usually mounted on a load-bearing wall. Adjusting the dimensions is easy. The height should be a multiple of 200 millimeters and the width a multiple of 600 millimeters. The garden's depth is 150 millimeters. Customers choose the plants themselves, no extra waterproofing is needed, and the automatic watering system handles maintenance, although it can be manually activated via Wi-Fi every 2 weeks. For interior design enthusiasts, we've come across something quite unique. EverPanel, a room divider panel. Whether you're looking to create separate spaces in a loft or divide areas in an office, EverPanel is the ideal solution. Two people need half an hour to build a 30.5 meter long wall, allowing even a small team to handle multiple orders in a day. Quite cost-effective. Plus, projects can be visualized in 3D programs, providing customers with a clear picture of the end result. No need to worry about tools. EverPanel panels are joined and separated manually. A wall measuring 2.7 meters in length and 2.1 meters in height comes at a price of $2,985. The experts at Enviromesh specialize in Gabion walls. This involves crafting frames filled with loose materials like crushed stone or rocks. These blocks can be used for various purposes, such as building retaining walls, fences, or unique outdoor decorations. They handle projects of all sizes, including large-scale endeavors. For instance, check this impressive project: 18 layers of geogrid and 2,000 cubic meters of welded gabions. This structure safeguards a British hillside from erosion and ensures safety from falling rocks. They promise a delivery time of 5 to 7 days on average and even offer Gabion landscaping as a unique service. Effective office acoustics can improve employee concentration by 48% and reduce stress by 27%. On the other hand, poor acoustics in hospitals can raise patients' blood pressure and heart rate. That's why Bivino panels are a crucial addition to any space. Thanks to their laminar structure and felt backing, they absorb sound instead of reflecting it. The system covers a broad frequency range from 125 to 4,000 Hz and addresses unwanted resonances. If needed, the panels can be securely fixed to walls with a 45mm spacing. Additionally, they boast the industry's only flame-retardant felt solution in compliance with EN 13823, a standard across the European Union thanks to the unique polyester felt used. Concrete that looks like wood? It might seem like magic outside of Hogwarts, but these experts will walk you through it. It all starts with the formwork, preferably using a square steel bar. Then you pour the concrete, ideally with fiber and plasticizer mixed in. Now you smooth out the mix, but don't wait for it to dry before turning it into a tiramisu. Just kidding. This is actually a special powder color for concrete to achieve a wood-like color. Now, it's time to wait for excess moisture to evaporate before the fun part begins. Stamping the surface to mimic wood planks using a stamping machine. If you have time, you can even add faux nails for authenticity. And don't forget about pointing and expansion joints. Finally, add a nice finishing touch with varnish. Experts have crunched the numbers on the amount of drinking water lost in the United States due to deteriorating pipes, and the figure stands at about 2 trillion liters each year, roughly half the size of the Mediterranean Sea. This makes SPR technology highly relevant, as it can fix pipes made of any material, from plastic to concrete, without the need to dig across entire streets. Here's how SPR repair works. A robot gets into the old pipe, and like a giant spider, tugs along a flexible plastic profile. The new pipe is then formed from this profile, coil by coil. Rest assured about reliability, the profile is reinforced with steel. This method breathes new life into pipes up to 5.5 meters in diameter. Moreover, SPR repair is environmentally friendly, requiring much less machinery and therefore producing fewer emissions. While you may change curtains and wallpaper every month, the same can't be said for walls. That's why selecting the right wall material is crucial to building a comfortable home, say the creators of HotBlock. Why choose HotBlock? Here are some reasons from its manufacturers. Firstly, these blocks are lightweight, made of expanded clay aggregate with foamed polystyrene insulation. Secondly, they're larger than bricks, speeding up the construction process. About 7 pieces per square meter of wall. Thirdly, the block features a tongue and groove system, reducing mortar usage in vertical joints. Additionally, HotBlock provides effective thermal insulation while allowing vapor permeability. Put simply, EPS beads serve as insulation for heat, sound, and vibration. Chemically speaking, what you're looking at is expanded polystyrene foam. It features a honeycomb structure and consists mostly of air, making it an excellent thermal insulator. Compared to standard fiber insulation, EPS beads are 20% more effective and resistant to cracking, settling, water damage, and decay. Just a few small holes are needed to fill the gaps, cutting down on material and tools. The experts from EcoSpray Foam Systems also apply a layer of adhesive to the beads to prevent them from coming loose during future renovations. The Westonbirt Arboretum holds interest for several reasons. Firstly, its size is quite impressive, spanning some 243 hectares. Secondly, it's overseen by Camilla, the Queen Consort of the United Kingdom. And thirdly, there's this magnificent walkway elevated on 57 sturdy larch supports, stretching 300 meters and offering views from 13 meters high. The clients wanted year-round accessibility, comfort for people with disabilities, and minimal damage to tree roots, especially since construction was in the Arboretum's densest area. Bureau Happold specialists tackled this challenge, leveraging their expertise, close collaboration with the Arboretum representatives, and Autodesk robot program to achieve success. Could this become a new tourist hotspot? Now let's talk about pipes. Roof flashing is one of the solutions experts use to ensure zero leaks. They're versatile, suitable for chimneys, ventilation pipes, and other constructions. They come in various diameters, sealing holes from 10 mm to 600 mm with ease. They're compatible with different roofing materials, fitting snugly onto shingles or corrugated sheet metal. For instance, the MasterFlash solution is a flexible cone that easily mounts onto corrugated surfaces at a 45-degree angle or more. You can find this type of solution for around $16. Perry is one of the biggest formwork manufacturers in the world, so we can't ignore their advancements. Luckily, there's plenty to take note of. The Perry Skydeck formwork is incredibly versatile, suitable for residential and industrial projects alike, handling slabs up to a meter thick. Depending on the project and concrete type, it can be removed after just 24 hours. Made from aluminum, it's lightweight with the heaviest component at 15 kilograms. Yet it can withstand loads of up to 150 kilograms per square meter, making it ideal for large-scale projects like London's South Quay Plaza complex with its 3 towers. Some may argue against using cement bags in this manner, but this expert isn't likely to listen to their advice, especially after investing effort, money, rebar, and patiently waiting through the winter. The bags have hardened thanks to water and natural forces. If he wishes, he can remove the wrapping, but for now, he's focused on leveling the ground. Whether he's relying on instinct or following a YouTube tutorial, this wall offers a simple and cost-effective DIY option. The key is to avoid injury while handling these heavy bags, which can weigh tens of kilos each. Modular walls offer premium fencing solutions for modern urban areas. Installation is simple and requires just 4 steps: digging post holes, driving posts into the ground, attaching rails, and installing panels. Optional flush mounting is also available. For added vibrancy, the fence can be painted with acrylic paint. The panels stand up to 2.1 meters tall and are 50 millimeters thick. They can be easily complemented with lighting and various accessories while also reducing noise. Modular Walls believes customers can handle the installation themselves, which is great news considering the pricing starts at $89 per square meter, excluding tax, delivery, and installation. It's no wonder they're considered premium. These machines are handy for standalone projects, as they allow making tiles, curbstones, or concrete blocks. The Vibramaster Standard 260V completes one molding cycle in 60 to 90 seconds, enabling the production of up to 260 blocks per day, especially with a two-person team. Various molds are available for the Vibramaster Standard 260V, including a model for creating blocks with sloping sides, allowing versatility for projects like stairs, walkways, or even three-story houses. This practical machine is priced at $32.